Hi, my name is Maya Yana. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if not, welcome back. You want to see how I got this hair color as well as more details on this wig, then keep watching. Okay, so before I get into the customizing and the coloring and all that stuff that I'm going to be doing with this wig, I'm going to tell a little bit about the specifications and the details about it. So this is, first of all, this is exactly how it came to me in this box, just like the guy handed it to me, right, just like this. For me personally, it could have been a little bit more discreet, but whatever. So it is from a brand. I'm gonna look on my laptop real quick. Brand, it says on Amazon that the brand is Derek Gris, either Derek Gris or Derek Chris. I don't know how you say it, but I'll link the hair down below. So this is the hair. I did already boil it and shampoo it out and let it air dry. So this is the wig. It's 22 inches. It says straight, but once I washed it, it did have like this really pretty super loose wave to it. 3 clips in the front and then 1 more so in the back, like on the bottom. And then if you can see the frontal is more so like 4 inches in the middle, and then on the sides towards the temples is more like 1.5–2 inches. It's not really the full 13x4, which I mean, I've seen more and more wigs that are like that. Unless you like go out of your way to buy 13x6, they don't really do the typical lace fronts that they have back in the day, at least not when you're getting like super affordable hair. These are what the knots are looking like. Not too bad. The only thing that I am a little bit nervous about is the lace, because the grids they're not super big, but they're kind of large. But I'm pretty sure with like bleaching the knots and tinting the lace and everything, it will come out looking pretty good. So today I will be doing a skunk stripe, a red skunk stripe for Valentine's Day. Yeah, so let's get right into that. Bleaching the knots and then putting the skunk stripe in this wig. hair, I'm not gonna lie, I am so impressed. I was a little doubtful because I was like, I don't know. Okay, so my main thing with 13x4s, I found them iffy all the time because especially when they're like the affordable, cheaper hair, it's not really made equally. Every single brand is not going to be the same. I have a big head, and most of the time these 13x4s are not big head friendly. I had bought a 13x4 wig last year, and it broke my heart because my head was too big for it. The lace wasn't really ear to ear, it was more like temple to temple. Like, it was too much but not enough all at the same time. I was so sad. But this one, ear to ear, front to back, fits perfectly, like where the clip in the back is perfectly in line with my nape. It's just, yes, get into it. The lace isn't too bad. Okay, let me do pros and cons. So, pro. One of my favorite things about this freaking hair was I did not expect it to be so full. It took the bleach very, very well. Bleached the knots really quickly. Bleached the, you know, the little skunk stripe I got going on really well. Took color well. I'd say my absolute favorite thing about this hair, the way it fits. It's a perfect fit. So it's big head friendly. Only con I really have with this wig is the grid. The grid on the lace is kind of big and it's kind of hard. So it wasn't difficult for me too much, but it was kind of difficult to lay it down. Bad enough I didn't get a chance to run to the beauty supply store and get glue yet. So it might be kind of difficult to lay the lace, depending on your skill set. But yeah, overall, I believe this one runs for $130 on Amazon. Oh my gosh, and it's Prime eligible. Like, look at it though. Let me see it by the back of it. It looks so freaking cute. Like, it came out so cute. I had to do the baby hairs off camera because my phone wasn't cooperating. The baby hairs weren't cooperating. We just weren't being a team, but whatever. It still came out really cute. I like it. I love it, actually. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, so I hope you guys like the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Let's see what kind of color we could come up with for the next one. I have no idea what I want to do, but let me stop touching this. Let me just, as far as details about the hair and where you can get it from, I'm gonna link it down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And you already know, subscribe to this channel if you're not already, okay? Bye.